Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to put Afterpay on your website. It's very easy thing to do. For this, what you have to do, first open your browser and search for Afterpay after, for retailers. Then from the very first page, select it, and now after select sign up from here. Then now you will see this is a business account, so you have to select your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your business email, create a password, your business name, what you want to Afterpay for, total amount of sales, and your website URL. Then you have to create your account, and that's how you can put Afterpay on your website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.